Hello guys, it's your boy Chimera Games here, and today I'm back with another video. So, um, today I am playing Robloxian Highschool, and I'm going to be playing with my sister, but didn't come into the game yet, so I'm waiting for her to join, and you will be able to hear her because we are going to be in the same room, and she's going to be talking to, not just me. I'm not going to be talking a lot like I always used to, but this is the first time I'm able to use a mic in one of my videos, so I got the new setup. So yes, clean this room and let's head into my house. So yeah, this was my house, but um see, now I gotta update my house again because it got ruined and people kept moving stuff around. So I'm going to edit dorm. I'm going to put this, move this. So I'm going to move this again, put that up against the wall right there. No, well, I'm going to move this. Move right there. I'm going to move this one too. Now let's see if it's lined up. Yup. And now I'm going to click on this. I'm going to move it over here. I wish I could be able to rotate this. And then yes, I can rotate it. It's up against the wall. And now I'm going to take the toilet, move it, put the toilet right against there. I want to close that. Grab this, move that. Up here. Actually, move that again. That move it quickly up. Yep. This. Take this, I'm gonna move this. Right. I want to rotate it right there. Yeah. Yeah, actually, I could actually move this out, put this right here, and move this, and put this right there. Yeah. Could still fit in this bathroom, but first let me just decorate. I can actually move this. Come over here, stand over here. Rotate that right there. Actually move this. Here's the bathroom. Now I'm gonna do my room. 8 by 2, and I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to rotate it. This is a 4 by 1. What is this? It's a 2 by 1. Okay. I'm going to move this. Turn this way. Oh, my sister is here. Oh, but we're in the same room. Hey, she made it to the game. Welcome to the game, sister. I don't know where she's at. She'll be over here shortly. Ding, 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 ding. So now I have a small room. So I don't know how all of this is going to fit. I'm going to jump on my bed. I'm going to place, rotate, rotate, rotate. I'm going to place this on the ground. As you can see, it's sticking out the wall a little bit. So I'm going to move that up. Actually, I'm going to change that. I'm going to delete. Yup. I'm going to move this. No. I'm back. Well, my sister, she just left the game because she let her phone charge, I think. Wait, build wall 825. How much money do I have? 35? Yeah. I'm gonna have to stand out here. Yeah, and it's big enough. Paint this. Alright, this is my house for now. So you see about the oops. Got the bathroom right there. I have a small walkway. people made the world way bigger. And now this is my apartment. So I'm going to be my apartment. Got the window. I'm going to close these. Nope. Hey, how much is dang 719 99. I'd rather buy this. Yup. Buy this 200 V-Bucks. Yup. 179 for 1,000 V-Bucks. You got me messed up. Now for the housing. Ooh, shop on me a yacht. I'm going to the nightclub. Wait, we could buy cars in this. Whoa, when do we? Yo. Oh, there's vehicles in this. Go-kart. That's 1,499 for that, bro. Really? For that, bro? If I had that much, bro, I would have bought me. Shoot, that would have been my car right here. No, I would have bought that. Mother Fury. I'm going to. Alright, so yeah. When the break was off, I had bought me this car, this Fury. Yeah, when I was going to do, that's the 999 car. And I don't know what type speed is up here, but this is a nice car to be driving though. Shoot. I pick up ladies in this. Also, somebody just jumped out my car. That was a person. I don't even know. Oh, there's another. That's probably gonna be like a whole bunch of V-Bucks. I mean, why am I saying V-Bucks thinking of Fortnite? I mean Robux. I don't know why. So, so Fortnite took the V because it was Robux. So now they have V-Bucks. I see what Fortnite doing. I'm not saying I'm not hating on Fortnite. Just Fortnite just copying some of the words. So drama class. Sorry people, they better not hit my car. That was good parking. Go. Alright, so I forgot how to do that. So as you see, this is my person. I'm not gonna reset my avatar. I like this person. So I'm probably gonna end the video off here. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.